Hello everyone, big update from India's gaming world. The center is pushing a new bill that could ban all real money online games and even penalize influencers promoting them. Let me break this down for you. So, the promotion and regulation of online gaming bill 2025 has been approved by the union cabinet and now is headed towards the parliament. So, what is the bill? So, the bill actually would prohibit online gaming where users have to deposit money to win cash. So, this is a move that is, aimed at tackling addiction, financial exploitation, and even money laundering concerns. So operators could actually face up to 3 years in jail and fines up to 1 crore. So influencers endorsing these kind of platforms could actually face 2 years in prison and even a 50 lakh rupees fine. So gaming industry groups have really warned that a blanket ban could result in a loss of nearly 20,000 crore in annual tax revenues and drive users to unregulated offshore platforms. So the bill actually also proposes establishing a regulatory authority to license platforms, promote esports, and distinguish between skill-based games like esports and banned games of chance. So, what is the bottom line here? So, the bottom line here is that India is pushing for a tough stance on real money gaming with serious consequences for both platforms and influencers. So, what do you think? Should we ban them outright or regulate responsibly? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such legal insight. Thank you.